Algebraic fractions. So we do part A. So we have n divided by n minus 1 minus n plus 1 on the top divided by n. So we need a common denominator. So the common denominator of n minus 1 and n, because they got nothing in common, so it's basically n times n minus 1. So we have to write the first fraction with the common denominator n times n minus 1. Now we already got n minus 1, so we already had n there. This extra n on the bottom, so we have to multiply the top by n. This one, so the common denominator is n times n minus 1. So in this case, we already got the n on the bottom, so this is extra n minus 1, so we have to add this on the top, so n minus 1. Now we simplify it, so we get n squared so write as a common denominator on the bottom. Here we have bracket n plus 1 times n minus 1. So this is the difference of two squares. So just remember, n plus 2 times n minus 2 be n squared minus 4. We'll think with x and y. X plus y times x minus y. If this letter is the same, this one the same, only the difference is the sign in the middle. So this comes from a difference of two squares. So using that, so we have n squared, put in a square bracket, so this is basically n squared minus 1. Then you remove the brackets, you get n squared minus n squared, then 2 minus to make a plus. So this is equal to 1 divided by n times n minus 1. Now part B, we're going to solve this is equal to half. So solving 1 over n times on the bottom n minus 1 equal to half. So this is flipping upside down method. If you got 1 over b equal to 1 over c, you can flip this, just basically is b equal to c. So what we'll be doing here, this goes on the top, that comes on the bottom. If we're doing this side, you do the same thing on the other side. So flip both sides, we get n times n minus 1 equal to 2. So that's n squared minus n equal to 2. Take everything to the left hand side, n squared minus n minus 2 equal to 0. Factorize. Factor to minus 2, add up to minus 1. Minus 2 and plus 1. Put this bracket equal to 0, you get n equal to 2. Put this bracket equal to 0, you get n equal to minus 1. Now the denominators here is 8 and 12. So you find the lowest common multiple or denominator by dividing. Here 4 is a common number. Nothing in common, so denominator will be 4 times 2 times 3, which is 24. So write the first fraction out of 24. So you're timing this one by 3. So multiply the top part by 3. You write this 12 here with 24. So we're timing this by 2. So multiply the top part by 2. So now we've got the single denominator. So we have 24 on the bottom, 12x minus 9 minus 6x minus make it here plus is plus 8. 12 minus 6, that's 6x, minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1, divided by 24.